Removal of BMW E46 Rear door window rubber and vertical trim. Before we begin, Step 1. Lower the window. Step 2. Remove the rearmost screws. Step 3. Pry the rubber free. Step 4. Remove the frontmost screws. Step 5. Lift away the rubber and trim. Step 6. Separate the trim pieces. Our company's name is OCLS, an acronym for Old Car Life Extension Systems. We sell high-quality, used, OEM replacement BMW parts on eBay. The link in the description below lists parts that might be damaged or missing during the procedure just described.